Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to review a contract and automatically flag every clause red, yellow or green based on risk. Okay, so let's begin. Open up your Claude AI and of course open up a new chat. Select the cowork, it is really important. And now, first we need to enter a sample of our NDA. So let's do it. I have the prompt also. Let's enter it in the chat box, and now we also gotta attach the NDA file. Click the plus icon and go to add files or photos. And now simply find your contract, the file that you want to attach, click on open, and here it is. Now the Claude will do the job and simply hit the icon. The Claude has clear instructions what he needs to do, so everything will work. Click on the arrow or press enter. It is up to you. It's going to take a little bit, of course, because it needs to read the whole file and analyze it. So let's keep waiting. Okay. Okay, and there we have it. We have red, yellow, and green. So the Claude has gone clause by clause through the NDA. You can see it's flagged the term clause red because this agreement never expires, which is unusual and one-sided. The non-compete clause is also flagged red since a 5-year worldwide non-compete inside NDA is way broader than it should be. I'll show you each section: red, yellow, and green. Of course, you can read everything. The biggest issues: the non-compete doesn't belong in an NDA at all. The indemnification and injunctive relief clauses are one-sided and uncapped, and several mutual provisions. Assignment confidentiality obligations actually only bend or protect one party. I would push back hard on 6 and 7 before signing. We can also ask a follow-up question. Now we know which clauses are risky. Let's take it further, and I want the actual red line suggestions for every clause. Flagged red, so I know what to propose instead. So let's click on the chat box and let's enter the second prompt for our Claude. I have it prepared. Enter. For every clause you flagged red, suggest specific redline language I could propose instead to make it more balanced and standard. Keep each suggestion short and practical. Let's send it. Okay, and as you can see, the Claude did the job that it should. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.